Another wonderful question. So AB and CD are straight line segments. Find angle Y. And we need to find the angle Y. AB and CD are straight line segments. When AB and CD are straight line, this is 90 degrees. Fine. So CD is a straight line. So X plus 90 plus Y equals 180 degrees. It's a straight line. Three things should add up to 180 degrees. Brilliant. Or X plus Y should be 90 degrees. Now AB and CD are straight line. So I'm going to draw only AB and CD. CD and AB. The angle here is X. So what should be the angle here? This should also be X. They are vertically opposite angles. So this angle is also X. Find the overall meeting point to be O. Then angle AOC should be equal to angle DOB. But they are vertically opposite angles. If this is X, this is also X. Once again, this angle, sum of these three angles should be equal to 180. So angle COE plus angle EOB plus angle BOD is 180 degrees. X plus 20 plus 80 plus X is 180 degrees. X plus 20 plus 80 plus X equals 180 degrees. We already know X plus Y is 90 degrees. Right? This angle is X. Simplify this. 2X plus 100 is 180, or 2X is 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees, or X is 40 degrees. Twice of something is 80, or X is 40. 40 plus Y is 90 degrees. 40 plus what is 90? Y should be 50 degrees.